depths of the institutional scene, Chicago City Limits presents Class Act.
All right, Dad, this can be your bed. All right? I'll take this one. You're closest to the bathroom. Yes, just like home.
It stinks. It stinks. Why did you drag me out here, Larry?
Look, Dad, you're going to have a better attitude, okay? You're going to need... it's been a year since Mom died, okay?
It's been 11 months. 11 months.
Well, it's time to meet someone. I mean, you just walk around in the house all day depressed.
I shouldn't be depressed? You're telling me I shouldn't be depressed? The woman sweated her ass off for me every day for 15 years!
That's good 15 right here. Right here. If there's nothing, I haven't met anybody, okay? Look, we're here for you to find someone to spend the rest of your life with. If I find someone, hey, that would be good too.
Larry, what do you know of love? What do you know of love? She wasn't even your mother. Your mother's been dead 35 years now. Nancy, you waited 11 months to marry her. Sophie was special. Show respect.
Well, we're here to meet another Sophie. It was so easy the first time, it'll be easy this time. Now just have a good attitude.
I have a fine attitude. I have a good attitude on the boat. I couldn't help it though. So you have days that go out and trip you. Going her blue legs.
Dad, that wasn't nice.
When we are in public, I need you to be with me. I need you to stand up for me. I am with you. You're my son.
Yes. I love you, Dad. It's just I don't like living with you. Find a woman for you here.
Larry, it's not so bad us living together.
It's not bad. You're right. I'm not going to do it anymore.
I didn't hear that. I did not hear that.
Good times. We've had good times. All it is. Dad, I can't bring him home. Because you start calling them names. Oh, not as nice as Sophie.
Larry. Orchard.
Yeah.
You date dogs.
They're nice. They're nice.
I want better for my son. I don't want you to be where I am now with 2 dead wives.
Dad, I don't have your looks, okay? There's something in my future. I just want to find a nice woman who wants personality.
Sound like your mother. She always used to say, find a girl. Special something.
I love Mom. I love you too.
Yeah. Anyway. So it's settled. We live together.
I'm not going to live with you anymore, Dad.
Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me.
marry a nice woman, go out together, and you'll be happy, okay? It's settled. This is the vacation. This cost all my savings. This is it.
Just say, Larry, that this is not it. You're not gonna just leave me with some strange coast-paying woman.
Dad,
I know.
you find a woman without miracle things.
Okay, you'll come for dinner. Of course I'll come for dinner. You'll play cards.